Hello everyone. Today we're making the most soft and flavorful lemon loaf cake. It's super moist, full of fresh lemon flavor, and topped with a shiny lemon glaze. So let's get started. In a bowl, add the sugar and lemon zest. Use hands to infuse the zest into the sugar. Whisk the oil and yogurt into the lemon sugar, and then the eggs, vanilla, and lemon juice. Next, whisk in the flour, baking powder, and salt just until a smooth butter forms. After that, pour the butter into a loaf pan and bake until golden. Now for the lemon syrup, in a small saucepan, whisk together the water, lemon juice and sugar. Bring mixture to a boil under medium heat, whisking until the sugar is dissolved. Reduce heat and simmer syrup for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove from heat and let syrup cool until it's warm and no longer hot. Now for the lemon glaze, in a bowl, add the powdered sugar and whisk in 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Test the consistency. If the glaze is too thick, whisk in additional lemon juice a half teaspoon at a time to get a thick but pourable consistency. Use a thin skewer or toothpick to poke holes into the cake. Pour the syrup over warm cake and leave cake in the pan for 8 to 10 minutes before transferring to a cooking rack to cool to room temperature. And finally, top it with a simple lemon glaze. It adds that beautiful shine and tangy taste. And there you have it, a perfect lemon loaf cake. Soft, zesty and so delicious. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in another video.